Hi Blooms! We're back again for another reaction video because iwanttfc just released 45 minutes ago the BINI Chapter 3 Hanggang Dulo trailer. So this is the part 3 of BINIdocumentary. So let's watch the trailer. Let's go! Oh my gosh! This is it. And it will show on June 11 for BINI exclusive member. Sa cinema, mauuna silang makakapanood nito. But for now, let's watch the trailer. Let's go. 2023?
Saan na kayo mag-basking? Hindi ko kaya, hindi ko kaya. Coach, hindi ko po kaya, Coach.
Cute naman ni Mikalim.
We want to be discovered here in LA, so let's go.
Oh, they are in LA. Doing busking. Whoa.
Nakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today. I am Shano.
What? You are what? Let's go. Subscribe to iwanttfc.
It was not planned out this way. When we were in 2023, we wouldn't plan out that 2024 will be such a big year.
2024 was obviously a roller coaster.
Coach
I think no one
Mickey.
expected that, honestly.
Mabuhay! We are BINI, and you're listening to K-Pop Radio.
We have this number, we have this success. Sobrang laki nila sa Philippines. And then saan tayo pupunta?
Tara! BINI from the Philippines!
We are very ready for the world.
Ngayon pa ba tayo atras?
From NFT and went abroad.
Sa Pilipinas, may mga nakakilala, pero doon, talagang wala ka.
Ganda ni Jo.
Kailangan mo lang tibayin yung loob mo. Paano mawala yung anxiety, paano mawala yung ganitong bagay na nafe-feel ko.
So many voices were there. So much attention was there. Who do you trust? What will you listen to? How to handle pressure? Kasi hindi na sila yung mga nene, yung mga bata na nakita namin.
You're independent and you're learning parts of yourself you never knew about. You're meeting people you never would have thought you'd meet.
Grabe, hindi namin alam paano namin na pull off yun. Kaya pala namin mag-joke kahit English. Panoorin niyo.
Let's go.
They slowly find their voice as artists.
We're just starting. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo, wala pa. Nasa katiting pa lang tayo dun sa global domination.
Yeah! Woo! Global domination!
Araneta. It's an homecoming.
Araneta. Best concert for me.
Sobrang ganda. Parang siguro mas
For
maganda
me.
yung dito si Mami nanonood, ganun. Kasi nga, never nga
She-
niya naabutan mag-BINI. Like, if naabutan niya ako, sobrang proud siguro nun.
Walo hanggang dulo, parang yun yung pinangahawakan namin na walang bibitaw. BINI is life. Part na siya sa dugo ko. Who I am, who I will be, it's because I was a BINI.
Oh, Pierre! Nice! Let's go! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is the last part. We want more! Ang OA. So that's it, guys. Alright. So that's the trailer. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. So I'm excited to watch the whole documentary. And I think, okay, June 12, alright, June 11, some of the Blooms will watch it first, and the whole general will watch on June 12. Alright, so that's it. We are so excited to see the part 3 of BINIdocumentary. So kaabang-abang. And, oh my gosh! So exciting. Yun lang. See you on my next reaction video. Bye!